and welcome to Ahrex fly tying. My name is Håkan, and today we will be tying a Booby Fly, more specific a pink Booby Fly. And the Booby Fly is a fly that fished with a sinking line. So when you pull in the line, the fly will dive down, and in the pause it floats up. So this will provoke the fish to take it. And this pink color is especially good when it's really cold in the water. So let's start. The hook I'm using is the Ahrex Freshwater 504 size 8, which is a short shank dry fly hook. And that gives us enough space to make the head, the eyes and the body, and it gives also a bigger hook gap, which is good when you're fishing a fly. As you can see, I set a foam cylinder. This is 6 millimeter thick, and I put it on to the hook shank because whatever happens, it's still on the fly, even if it's getting torn out by the fish or so. And then I set the thread in front of the eye. And just to make sure that the fly or the eyes will sit even better, I just use some super glue on top of the thread, like this. And then we just move the cylinder over the glue and tie it in. Don't pull the thread too hard, because then you can cut through the foam. Just make sure it sits there. And then we just created two big eyes on the fly. And now for the rest, it's quite simple fly. For the tail, I'm using, you can use marabou. I'm using Whiting Super Boo, which is sort of even softer than marabou. And I use the whole feather and just tie in the tip of it as the tail of the fly. And as I said, this is a pink booby, but of course you can tie it in any color you want, but this is a really good cold weather fly. And for the body, just some cactus chenille in the same color as the tail. Tie it down. And then just wind. And tie it. And that's the whole fly actually. Just finish off with a whip finish. And there you have a nice pink Booby Fly.